Hey everyone, welcome back to Home Decor 101. I'm so happy that you're here with me today because we are diving into one of the most fun, feminine, and truly magical holiday trends out there, the pink Christmas tree. Whether you love soft blush, bold magenta, or champagne rose gold, or even whimsical cotton candy pink, today's video is going to give you all the inspiration you need to create a tree that feels dreamy, elegant, and uniquely you. So we're going to talk about what makes a pink Christmas tree work. Color combinations, styling tips, themes, all the good stuff. So sit back, relax, grab a cup of tea, and let's get into it. Starting with, why is pink having a Christmas moment? So pink Christmas decor is no longer unconventional. It has become one of the biggest trends during the holidays. And honestly, it makes sense. Pink brings warmth, charm, and a touch of playful glamour to your home. And of course, it photographs beautifully. Pink also works across multiple aesthetics. Soft blush for a romantic look, hot pink for a bold glam vibe, rose gold for a modern chic aesthetic, pastel pink for a Candyland or whimsical theme. It's versatile, expressive, and most importantly, a great way to bring the traditional red and green mold. So a pink Christmas tree doesn't mean everything must be the same shade. The secret is choosing a palette that feels cohesive. Here are some gorgeous combinations. We have blush pink, champagne, and white. This is the soft, dreamy winter princess palette, beautiful for those who want elegance without too much boldness. We also have rose gold, metallic gold, and mauve. This is perfect for glam lovers. This creates a warm luxe moment with a little sparkle. Then there's pink, icy silver, and clear glass. So think frosty, crystal winter wonderland, but with a pink twist. We also have magenta, black, and silver. It's modern, it's bold, and it's high contrast. This palette is for the girlies who love a statement. Another combination would be pastel pink, mint, and lavender. So if you love candy or whimsical holiday themes, this palette is absolutely adorable. Okay, so we got the palette out of the way. Let's talk some ornaments because this is where the magic truly happens. Now for large-scale ornaments, bigger ornaments instantly make your tree look more designer. So try oversized blush bulbs, large rose gold balls, or big frosted white ornaments. Then there's ribbons. Ribbons add drama and dimension. Best choices for pink trees are velvet ribbon, satin ribbon, glitter ribbon, or mesh ribbon for volume. Try weaving ribbon into the tree for a layered, luxurious look. One of my favorites, the picks and the sprays. Now these add softness and fullness. Great options include faux feathers, glitter branches, snow-dusted floral picks, and iridescent sprays. But then what tree is complete without a good tree topper? Skip the traditional star and try a big bow, a crown of feathers, a crown itself, or a floral arrangement. This is going to elevate your entire look. But let's get into some of the themes for your Christmas tree. Here's some fabulous themes that I have been seeing that you can use. So the first one would be the pink glam tree. So think champagne ornaments, glitter branches, rhinestone picks, just glitz and glamour everywhere. Then there is the blush and neutral romantic tree. This is going to include soft whites, blush roses, warm lights, just very gentle and dreamy. Then of course we have the Barbie Christmas tree. It's hot pink, it sparkles, and it has tons of silver accents. Really bold and really fun. Of course, next is the pastel Candyland tree. So think macaroon ornaments, which are available on Amazon and Hobby Lobby and some other places that have like those special one-of-a-kind ornaments. But you're gonna think of the macaroon ornaments, pastel bulbs, iridescent lights, just really whimsical and sweet, just fun. And then last, of course, would be the vintage pink shiny bright tree. So now's the time to bust out those retro ornaments, bubble lights, tinsel, just very nostalgic but still feminine. This is a great tree to create if you do a lot of garage selling. Better chance to find some of these retro items. So next we're going to talk about making it work on a budget. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars to create a stunning tree. So I'm going to give you just a quick few budget-friendly tips. The first would be spray paint old ornaments, pink, gold, or blush. You can add ribbon as filler. It's cheaper than ornaments in a lot of cases, especially if you just kind of cut some strips and tuck them into your tree. It just really works to fill up your tree. You can also buy floral picks from Dollar Tree and spray paint them with iridescent glitter. You can use a white or flock tree to really make your pink pop without needing a ton of decor. And last but not least, you can reuse year-round decor in pink tones, candles, vases, florals. Whatever it is, just kind of put it together and create the pink layout of your dreams. Little adjustments go a long way. So, how do you bring the look of a pink Christmas tree into your whole room? So if you want your whole space to feel cohesive, I would say add pink throw pillows, drape a blush or cream blanket, add gold or glass candle holders, use soft, warm lighting, fairy lights or pink LED candles, and place small pink Christmas trees on shelves or tables or even on your fireplace mantle. It's going to give your home a soft, cozy holiday glow without overwhelming the room. Listen, thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope this video gave you tons of inspiration for designing your own pink Christmas tree this year, whether you go subtle and blush or bold and glam. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I have so much more Christmas content coming your way. And definitely check the description box below. I've handpicked some beautiful pink ornaments, ribbons, and tree decor items from Amazon to help you get started. Thanks for watching, and remember, whether you choose to go with a traditional red or green decor scheme or a beautiful pink, the best thing you can have in your home is a happy family and a feeling of gratitude. I'll see you in the next one.